So nice of you, so nice of me. Like, okay, I am making another video for you only. Okay, so as you know that you are in standard 3rd, we are having this video for English 1. Okay, and the chapter is chapter number 7, the verbs. We are going to have the explanation for the verbs today. ठीक है? चलो आज verbs का explanation लेंगे. You will see that I have set some chart here only. Okay, no doubt this chart is very important for you, or you can say that okay, ma'am, it's a very beautiful chart, and thank you for that. Okay, and what we are going to learn in this video, that I am going to discuss afterwards. But let us understand what is the verbs first of all. Verbs क्या होते हैं? तो देखो बेटा, verbs का बहुत अलग अलग नाम से भी जानते हो. Like you will call it as action verbs. Okay, you are calling it as main verb or the helping verbs. Yes, so all these are the verbs only. But उसका role क्या होता है? What is the role of verb? तो first of all, before knowing the role of a verb, you must have to know what are the subjects. Subjects क्या होता है? Because before without the knowledge of subject, you cannot understand what are the verbs. Okay, तो जैसे हम कोई sentence शुरू करते हैं, like here, if I'm going to start with like I am your Asha ma'am, and I am going to teach the verbs today. So now in these words or in these sentences, what I am talking for, मैं किसकी बात कर रही हूँ? तो मैंने क्या बोला? I am your Asha ma'am means I am talking about myself. मैं अपने बारे में बात कर रही हूँ. तो यहाँ पे in English grammar, the person whom you are talking for, the person whom you are talking for is called a subject. जिसके बारे में आप बात कर रहे हो, whether it can be a person, it can be an animal, it can be the things also. जैसे हमने nouns पढ़े थे, तो all nouns can be the subjects. Can be, are not the subjects. मैं ऐसे नहीं बोल रही that all nouns are the subjects. No, all nouns can be a subject. Nouns में हमने क्या पढ़ा था? That each and every people, person, places and things are the nouns. So yes, these people, places, animals and things can be your subject. क्योंकि आप उसके बारे में बात कर सकते हो ना. Like if I will talk like Asha ma'am is your English teacher. So here you are talking for Asha ma'am. Asha ma'am is in which category Asha ma'am will go? In person category. Okay. Now if I will say like animal, cat can be a pet animal. So whom we are talking for? Cat. So cat is a subject here. Okay. Now Taj Mahal is in Agra. Taj Mahal is a place. So here also we are talking about Taj Mahal. So Taj Mahal is in Agra means we are talking for Taj Mahal. So Taj Mahal is a subject here. So yes, subject can be people, places, animals and things. Computer is a very fast thing, or mobile is a very important tool nowadays. So these are the things, computer, mobile phones, these are the things only. And if we are talking for those particular things, then that will be the subject. इतना समझ में आया बेटा? What is the subject? Now with every subject, if with each and every subject, some word will be there जो उनको support करते हैं, है ना? Many words will be there or many verbs will be there which support the subject. They are called the verbs. उनको क्या बोलते हैं बेटा? Verbs बोलते हैं. Now verbs can be of two types: action verbs or the helping verbs. ठीक है, उसको मेन वर्ब भी बोलते हैं. तो एक्शन वर्ब्स क्या होता है? Like I am teaching you right now. Otherwise, let us take another example. I teach you every day. मैं आपको रोज पढ़ाती हूँ. So into that sentence, I is the subject because we are talking for I right now, and teaching or I teach you every day. So teach is the main verb. Teach is the main verb because what is action here? कौन सा काम हो रहा है? Yes, तो जो कोई भी काम हो रहा होता है बेटा, so that is the verb only. उसको क्या बोलते हैं? verb. Now verbs can be many types. Verbs बहुत तरह के होते हैं. इसमें एक है action verb which you have learned only, like teach, play, make, run, write, read, watch. वर्ड्स भी बोलते हैं, ठीक है. These are the verbs only, or we can call it a main verbs also. But there are some other verbs also. बहुत अलग तरह के verbs भी होते हैं which are not the action verbs. जो action verb नहीं होते, कोई काम नहीं हो रहा होता है, though they are the verbs, and that will be called as helping verb. So क्या बोलेंगे बेटा? Helping verb. Helping verbs are the verbs which also support the subject, जो subject को support करते हैं उनको एक sentence बनने के लिए. Okay, so here we are going to learn about some of the verbs. It will be also called as to be verbs. उसको to be के verbs भी बोलते हैं, ठीक है. उसको क्या बोलेंगे बेटा? To be verbs बोलेंगे, ठीक है. So now in present tense, देखो to be verbs is also in two types of tenses. To be verbs of present tense and to be verbs of past tense. Both are there, but in this chart we are going to learn about the to be verbs of present tense. Present tense में कौन से to be verbs होते हैं? Present tense को पता है ना, what is present and what is past. Like I am teaching you right now, so that is the present tense. But if I have taught you yesterday, so that is the past. अगर कल की कोई बात होती है जो हो चुका होता है, that is the past, and जो हो रहा होता है, that is the present. Okay, so now we are going to learn about the to be verbs of present tense. Now here I have pasted one beautiful chart for you. Okay, in which here, what is this? I. So this will be our subject. ये हमारा क्या होगा? Subject. So let me read the sentence first of all. I am walking. Okay, this I is walking. I am walking. Okay, so this is which tense it is? It is present continuous tense. Okay, what is present continuous tense? If the things are going on, जो काम हो रहा होता है, जो कंटिन्यू होता है जो काम, उसको बोलेंगे प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. लाइक हियर, यू आर लिसनिंग टू मी, यू आर वॉचिंग टू मी राइट नाउ. आप अभी मुझे देख रहे हो, मुझे सुन रहे हो. सो दैट इज ऑल्सो इन प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. वॉट एवर एक्शंस आर गोइंग ऑन, ठीक है, जो काम हो रहा होता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. So it is in present continuous tense. Okay, I am walking. Here I is pasted here. तो I am walking. मैं चल रहा हूँ या चल रही हूँ. Okay, so here with I, if I is the subject, then what is the helping verb or what is the to be verb here? So am is the to be verb. With I के साथ और कोई किसी की दोस्ती नहीं हो सकती. I के साथ. Okay, if we are talking about present tense and in present tense किसी और की दोस्ती, nobody is allowed to make a friendship with I. Who is the friend of I only in present tense? Am. I के पास कभी आपने सुना I is walking, I are walking, कभी आपने से सुना है? No, you have not heard that. Why so? Because am in present tense is the only friend of I. If we are talking about the present tense, अगर हम किसी present tense के बारे में बात करते तो only and only am will go with I. Only am will go. So if in the fill up also you are like if you have asked for the same answer, then with I you need to remember that which helping verb will go? Am. I am walking, I am eating, I am dancing, I am singing. So only and only am helping verb will go. Okay, chalo. Now here you can see a fish. Okay, an article will be here, but I have not placed an article here because I know that you are very intelligent person, so that is why you know that a article will come. So a fish is smiling. Okay, ये fish देखो smile कर रही है. Okay, a fish is smiling. So here only one fish is there. You can see that only one fish is there. So if one thing will be there, that is the subject. This is the subject here because I am talking about a fish. So if I am talking about a fish means fish is my subject. So yes, if subject is in singular, if it is a one thing only, then with a subject, which helping verb will go? Is helping verb will go. You have to remember, okay, if a subject is in singular and it is in present tense, so in present tense which helping verb will go? Is helping verb will go. Okay, so a fish is smiling, a star is twinkling, a man is speaking, my father is going to Mumbai, my mother is cooking. Okay, like rain, the rain is raining. Okay, so here is, if it is in singular only and only, singular, we are talking about a singular things only. So if the subject is in singular, then which with that subject, which helping verb will go, beta? Is will go. Okay, and the last one. देखो here, what are here? What is the picture of this? You will say, man, these are the stars. Yes, these are the stars only. So the article will go with stars. The stars are twinkling. The stars are twinkling. मतलब stars ऐसे twinkle कर रहे हैं, ठीक है? So here देखो in plural, if the subject is in plural, then with plural, which helping verb will go? Are helping verb in present tense. Please remember, we are talking about the helping verbs of present tense only. In past tense, the helping verb will get changed only. ठीक है? So here are the three helping verbs. That is am, is, are. Am is the only friend of I. इसके साथ तो am ही लगाना है और कहीं am नहीं लगाना है. But if the subject is in singular, then we are going to add is after that. And if the subject are in plural, then we are going to add are after that. Okay, so these are the simple like to be verbs of present time, that is am, is, are. Three are there. Okay, let us continue with another activity. Okay, so now beta, as you can see that three cups I have placed here. Okay, you can show that you can see the names of the cups also. This is am cup, this is cup, and this is are cup. Means these are our helping verbs cups. Now I have some flowers over here. Now in this activity, what we are going to do? We are just simply going to add the subjects into the cups only. Okay, no doubt you know what are the subjects, that is, am and are. Okay, these are the cups only, and here some of the subjects are there. I am going to read the name of them also. ठीक है, तो आपको क्या करना है, जैसे am वाला फ्लावर आएगा तो उसको am में डालना है, is वाला होगा तो उसको is में डालना है, और are वाला होगा तो उसको are में डालना है. But first of all you need to identify the subject, like which subject we are talking for. So here I have one flower, Sita and Geeta. Sita and Geeta. Okay, so this is one flower. This is the flower of Sita and Geeta. Now you can see the subject Sita and Geeta. Means it is in singular or plural. I तो नहीं है. Friend तो हमको पता है, am is a friend of I only. तो I का तो हम am तो अभी भूल जाएंगे. We'll talk about is and are only. So as you can see that here two girls are there. Means here plural thing is there, and if plural thing is there, if the subject is in plural, then which cup we are going to add? This Sita and Geeta, are cup. Very good. So here Sita and Geeta will go to are cup. ठीक है? Now here one more subject is there, he. तो he am तो नहीं होगा क्योंकि I नहीं है यहाँ पे, तो he is और he are. तो he is, because as he is a singular subject. So as it is a singular subject, I am going to add into is cup. Okay, now the friend of whom came. किसका friend आया? M का friend आया. तो here I is there only. So I को तो मैं simply कहाँ पे डाल दूंगी? M वाले कप में डाल दूंगी. ठीक है? चलो, now Raj. Okay, so राज के साथ और कोई है? नहीं है ना? Only Raj is there, means Raj is in singular. Okay, so if singular things will be there, then which cup Raj is going to? Yes, so in is cup. Okay, now you. तो you is a very good thing. Okay, so you is होता है या you are होता है बेटा? You have seen the sentences like this. So yes, you say ma'am you are होता है, तो we'll go to that are cup. Okay, now another is that children. So children are in plural. Children is कभी नहीं होता है, children are ही होता है. So it will also go to are cup. ठीक है? Now they. Yes, so they is also the subject which is in plural. they किसमें होता है? they का मतलब बहुत सारे. So they is in plural. So we are going to add this in plural cup. Okay, now here it का मतलब only one. ठीक है? only one. If it is an animal and the things, and for things and animals we used to use it. So it के साथ क्या आएगा बेटा? it is. Now we is or we are. We are not talking about am right now because I is the only friend of I only. तो am की तो बात ही नहीं करेंगे. अभी ये we किस में डालूं? is में डालूं या are में डालूं? Yes, so you will say ma'am, we will go to in our car. And she is, very good. So she will go in is only because she is a singular subject. So this was the activity. If these are the subjects to you, अगर ये आपके पास subject हो, तो आपको respectively you have to choose from is and are. Okay. Now we are done with our present tense activity, simple present tense and present continuous also. हाँ, this is which tense it is? Present continuous tense. Present continuous में ing आता है, ठीक है? So with that also you need to add these helping verbs. Now we are moving towards our next activity. We'll shoot the next activity next time. That is simple past tense. Simple past tense के कौन-कौन से to be verbs होते हैं? That I will explain. Okay? Till then your man is signing off. बेटा, bye bye.